Get ready for the dictation. Start. This is a criminal appeal filed against the order of the Allahabad High Court granting bail to the accused who has been arrested with respect to the offence punishable under section 3(1) of the UP Gangster and Anti-Social Activities Prevention Act 1986. The appellant is the wife of a deceased victim, namely Raj Narayan Singh, who has been allegedly murdered by the accused, who is respondent number 2 herein in conspiracy with others. A first information report bearing case crime number 200 of 2015 PS Sodhari district Azamgarh was registered in that regard, and a charge sheet for offences under sections 120B and 302 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 and sections 3 and 25 of the Arms Act 1959 was filed against the accused. The accused is alleged to be a contract killer and a sharpshooter. In fact, previously the accused has been prosecuted in 15 cases for serious offences including murder, attempt to murder and criminal conspiracy. According to the prosecution, the accused along with other persons operate an organized crime gang in Azamgarh that allegedly commits offences punishable under chapters 16, 17 and 22 of the Indian Penal Code. The very purpose of the gang is to make physical and financial gains by committing innumerable crimes of serious nature. It is also stated that this gang instills extreme fear and terror in the area where it operates, thereby precluding persons from coming forward and lodging police complaints against its activities, or for that matter deposing in cases pertaining thereof. By the order impugned in this criminal appeal, the Allahabad High Court granted bail to the accused herein on very liberal terms, such as the execution of a personal bond to the satisfaction of the jail authorities and the furnishing of sureties within a month of his release. The High Court has simply ignored the antecedents of the accused and the potential to repeat his acts by organizing his criminal activities. It is stated by the appellant, who is the wife of the deceased victim, that the conduct of the accused during the trial of the case in case number 511 of 2016 has been one of non-cooperation by not cross-examining the witnesses first, then praying for their recall and then threatening witnesses through its henchmen. In fact, the conduct of the accused impelled the Sessions Court to direct the police to provide security in the court during the trial and provide security to the witnesses. It is also contended by the appellant that the grant of bail in a routine manner to gangsters has had an adverse effect in the past upon the law and order situation. The appellant cites the example of a person who was prosecuted in connection with 64 criminal cases, which included cases of murders, offences of dacoity, criminal intimidation, extortion and offences under the UP Gangster Act, etc., but who was released on bail. Ultimately, when a police team went to apprehend him in a case, allegedly 8 policemen were killed and many grievously injured. Therefore, the appellant contends that courts must be extremely careful in releasing of history-sitters who have been charged with serious offences like murder, rape or other kinds of bodily harms several times. Stop.